The Devo G5 Smart Lock offers the convenience of keyless entry with its built-in Wi-Fi, allowing you to control your front door remotely through a dedicated app. This smart lock provides versatility in unlocking methods, including options such as app remote control, password, physical key, IC card, and voice commands via Alexa or Google Assistant. Designed for durability, the Devo G5 is IP54 waterproof and can withstand temperatures ranging from 5 degrees Fahrenheit to 122 degrees Fahrenheit. With an intelligent auto lock feature, you can customize the lock time, ensuring your door is always securely locked without requiring manual intervention. The Devo G5 Smart Lock is easy to install, requiring no special tools, and is compatible with most American Standard doors, simplifying the setup process. Devo backs its smart lock with a 12-month warranty and offers technical support, demonstrating their commitment to customer satisfaction and product reliability.